Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 5. You're going to open your book to page 82. Our I can statement reads, I can draw a bar graph to show data and then use the graph to solve problems. In the last one, we were looking at bar graphs. Now we're going to draw them. Let's look at Build Understanding on page 82. Adam asked his classmates to choose their favorite toy. Draw a bar graph to show the data. 6 classmates chose a teddy bear. 4 classmates chose a ball. 3 classmates chose a jump rope. And 5 classmates chose marbles. The first thing we need to do is determine what was the survey about. We'll use that information to write a title and the labels for our graph. The survey was about people's favorite toy. So favorite toy will be our title. Then we look at each of the sections of information. What is this talking about? This is talking about the type of toy. And these numbers are telling us the number of classmates. Now our bar graph is ready to fill in. Letter B below asks you, how can you draw a bar to show how many classmates chose the teddy bear? We know that 6 classmates chose a teddy bear, so I'm going to mark a little bit on the end for 6. Then I can draw my bar to show 6 students chose a teddy bear. Go ahead and do the same for the ball, the jump rope, and the marbles. Pause the video if you need any more time to complete your bar graph. Your bar graph should look similar to mine. 4 people chose the ball, 3 people chose the jump rope, and 5 people chose marbles. Now let's answer question D. Which toy did the most classmates choose? Look at your bar graph and answer. You should have answered teddy bear. Let's look at the Step It Out problem. Kenja recorded the weather in her city for 2 weeks. There were 3 rainy days, 5 sunny days, 4 cloudy days, and 2 snowy days. Write a title for our bar graph. What is it talking about? It's talking about the weather. And it's really talking, let's make it a little more specific, about Kenja's weather. Now let's label the left side and the bottom of the graph. What are these numbers talking about? This is the number of days. And the bottom is the types of weather. Now we'll fill in a bar for each kind of weather. Let's start with rainy days. The problem told us there were 3 rainy days. So we'll find where the 3 is on our number of days and draw a bar. Go ahead and complete bar graphs for the other 3 types of weather. Pause the video if you need more time to complete the graph. Your graph should look similar to mine. 5 days were sunny, 4 days were cloudy, and 2 days were snowy. Now we'll complete the Czech Understanding. It asks you to use the bar graph above to solve the problem. That's the weather bar graph we just created. How would the graph change if there were 3 more snowy days to record? What would the data look like if there were 3 more snowy days? Go ahead and answer. Here are some possible answers you might have said. You might have said it would be taller, right? The graph for snowy days would be taller. You could have also said there would be 5 snowy days.